Hello, everyone. Welcome to EDU City Plus. And today we are going to go over ELA Lesson 1, which is nouns. Let's move on. What are nouns? So, this question is the essential question for this video today. A noun describes a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. So, all of these highlighted words right here, we are going to go over what they mean right now. A person is a human being or an individual. A place is a location or an area. A thing is an object of some sort. Animals are living things except humans. An idea is a thought or an opinion. Now we're going to go over a couple of examples. So, an example of a person. This image right here, what does this image represent? This image represents a man. And our question for now is, why would this be considered a person? Why would this be considered a person? Why would this image be considered a person? This will be considered a person because it is a human being or an individual. This is why this represents a person. Now we're going to go over place. So an example of a place is this image. What is this image? This image represents a school. Now our question for this is, why would this image be considered a place? Why would a school be considered a place? This image would be considered a place because it is a location or an area. You remember on our definition sheet like 30 seconds ago, it is a location or an area, and that's exactly what this is. You can go here, you can go. You can't go to a human. I mean, you can't go in a human. Like, you can't visit it. You know what I mean? Like, this is a location or an area. A human's not a location. A human's not an area. In case it's like a statue or something, like a famous thing. So now we're going to go over the example thing. This image right here. What is this image? This image is puzzles. Toy puzzles. And our question for this is, why would this be considered a thing? Why would this image be considered a thing? This will be considered a thing because puzzles are a type of object. Puzzles are an object. A school is not an object. In cases like a mini school, a person is not an object in cases like figure, because those figures are not living. Humans are living, so they are not objects. In case that's what you describe them as, then. And I guess, I don't know. Now we're going to move on to the example of an animal. What is this image right here? What is this image? This image is a lion. And our question for this is, why would this be considered an animal? Why would this be considered an animal? This will be considered an animal because it is not living. It is not a human. This is not a human being. Human beings have 2 feet, and this lion is not a human. It's living, but it's an animal. It's an animal. It's not human. It does not have 2 feet, or it does not have hands. But we all know what humans look like, so that's how we know the difference between each. Now we're going to go over the example, not by idea. What is this image? What is this image? This image shows happiness. So this image is our idea because it's happiness. But now, let me not get a step ahead of myself. We're going to move over. Our question for this is, why would this be considered an idea? Why would this picture be considered an idea? This picture would be considered an idea because it is an emotion. This is an emotion. Many people think that this would be considered a verb. Happy is a verb. I'm sorry, no, happy is an adjective. I'm sorry about that. I got that confused with another sense. So people would think that this is an adjective. Happiness is not an adjective. Happy is an adjective. Happy is an adjective. It's kind of like most things that ends with Y, like joyful, adjective, playful, adjective. So mostly like a little bit of all those things ends in Y. So now we're going to play a little game. Or not, it's not like a game. We're just going to do guess the noun time. So, right here. So we're going to do guess the noun. So we're going to go over all of these images and we're going to do P for place. We're going to do P for person, PL for place, thing, and animal idea. You're just going to go over that. So what is this? An elephant. Let's think about this. Is an animal a person? Does it have 2 feet? Does it have human features? No, it is not. So is this an animal or a place or an idea? So is it a place? Is this a location? Is an elephant a location? Nope. So that is not right. So if this would be an animal. So we're gonna do animal. Okay. What would this be? Would this be a person? No, because this does not have human features. Would this be a place? Yes, it would be. So this is a place. This would be a place. PL. Sorry that took so long. Now we're gonna change. We're gonna change the color. Okay. This. Is this a person? Let's look. Does it have human features? So yes, it would be a person. So this would be a person. What about this one? This kind of looks the same as the other one we just did, like right now, like this one. So this would be a person. What is this? Is this a person? Does it have human features? Does it have hands? Does it have feet? Does it have what humans have? No, it is not. Is this a place? No, because you can't visit this. Is this a thing? Yes, this is an object. This is a map. So we're going to label this T. What is this? What will this be considered as? Is this a person? Nope. Is this a place? Yes. So when I added this, I was meant to be the ocean. So yes, this is a place because the ocean is a place. What about this? Some people might get tripped up on this. This is not a person. This is a place. This is a place. I think this is this is Texas or Australia. I forgot what this is. I actually don't even know what this place is, but this is a place because you can visit it. Texas is a place. So just like when you see a map, it's not an object, but it was supposed to be a noun as a place. So this is a place because you can visit it. You can visit inside of it. But if we were talking about the flag, it would be an object. If we were talking about the flag, it would be an object because it's just like a flag is an object. So next, what is this? Person, place, thing, animal, or idea. I think this is an animal. Why do I think this is an animal? Because it is living, it looks living, and it's not a human. And those are only 2 things. It's not living. It is living. It's an animal. What about this? This looks like an animal to me. Why does this look like an animal? Because it is living, and it looks like it looks living. Because just look at it, it looks like it's living. So this will be an animal. What about this? Person? Well, it could be a person's hands, but I don't think it's a person. Is this a place? Nope. Is this an animal? No. Is this an idea? Yes, I do. I think this is freedom. This looks like freedom. Freedom is an idea because it is emotion, or it is well, not kind of like an emotion, but it could be an opinion, like in that area. What about this? Is this a person? No. Is this a place? No. Is this a thing? Yes, this is a thing. This is an apple. An apple is a thing. What about this? Is this a person? Yes. Does she have human features? Yes. So she is a person. What about this? Is this a person? Nope. Is this a place? Yes. This is a place because it's a restaurant, obviously. What about this one? This looks very similar to this one, so yes, we are just going to assume it is a place. What about this? Is this a person? Nope. Is this a place? Nope. Is this a thing? Nope. This is an animal. If I did not say animal, if I said animal already, then it is. That's what it is. So this is an animal. Kind of look like All these, like, they all like fit in the same category. And what about them? Is this a person? Yes. The well, person, they're people. Like if we split them in half, I'm not split them in half like freely, but like that, this will be a person and this will be a person. But these two together would be considered people. So we will learn about that on another date. What about this? This is a person? Yes. Does he have human features? Yes, he kind of fits into the category of this, and that. So this is a person. So we are now going to come to an end here. Thank you for watching. Um, so today we did nouns. Either this week or the next week, we are going to do common nouns and proper. We're going to learn about the differences between them. And then we're going to do more fun activities like those two. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like. This is my first video of the year, and I hope this gets a lot of, or not of the year. Yes, this is my first video of the year on this channel. So yes, hope I get a lot of views to educate people and things like that. So yes, thank you everyone. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys next time.